Hi guys, welcome to my first video of 2022. It has been long awaited for me to post a video yet this year. Joshua and I ended up getting sick. We got, you know what. We really just started feeling better the past couple of days, and so now I feel like I can get back to life. I felt like my life stopped for a couple of weeks and I haven't even put away any of my Christmas decor. I had so many big plans for right when the year started, and then our year kind of started off kind of crazy. So today my plan is to get our life back on track. I have to clean up this room. I also have a new frame coming for that TV tomorrow. I'll probably film today and tomorrow, but I want to get this room clean, kind of get our life back in order. Also, if you guys have any hacks for getting your taste and smell back, leave it in the comment section. I feel like mine is coming back a tiny bit, but not completely. So if you guys know of any hacks, let me know. I've seen some weird things like eating a piece of garlic. I've seen some people like cook an orange and they mix like brown sugar in it, all sorts of crazy things. I haven't tried those yet. For now, I'm gonna do a little time lapse of cleaning up this area. This is pretty much the only area that I really decorated for Christmas this year, so it shouldn't be too bad. I got my bins out. Alright guys, it's the next day and I finally got this room cleaned up. It feels really good to have everything cleaned up. Honestly, after I cleaned up yesterday, I was like, oh my goodness, I never want to put out Christmas ever again. It was just so much flocking and everything everywhere. I was actually starting to get frustrated. So now that I have everything cleaned up in this room, I do kind of want to figure out what I want to do with the room. Like I said, we have a new frame coming today, and then we do have a cabinet that we had from our old house. I had it in my office at the old house, and I was thinking about putting that there, and then we could maybe put the TV box in it and kind of like hide this a little bit more. My bigger plan for this room is to maybe do like vertical shiplap on this wall or some sort of like wood accent on this wall, and then maybe put like a sconce on either side of the TV. I feel like it would make it look more like an actual photo. I also was thinking this room needs some window treatments big time. So if you guys have any ideas for me, I'm kind of stuck on what to do. Like, I don't know if I should do curtains and some sort of blind. I feel like it does need both. So I feel like it needs something. I feel like the curtain rod will add some height to the room and stuff. So I don't know, we'll see. And then I've talked about my bigger plan before. I want to like extend the floors, get a rug. We may eventually change the sofas because these sofas worked perfect in our last house, but I don't know if it's gonna go. I don't know, we'll see what ends up happening. While we're waiting for the frame to get here, Josh was out in the pole barn right now. I'm gonna see if he'll come in and get our little bookshelf thing up here. I think it would fit perfect, and I think it'll be nice. It'll add a little something to the room. I thought while I'm waiting for him, I would show you guys a few of the things I got for Christmas. I'm probably not gonna remember everything that I got for Christmas just because I've been using things and kind of put it away and then you just kind of forget. But I thought I would show you guys a few things that I got. I'm trying to find a decent spot with some lighting. So my mom got me this North Face jacket. The hood actually does tuck under. I honestly feel like it looks better without the hood, but I needed it the other day. So this is called the Nupsy jacket. It's a pretty popular jacket right now. I'll link it for you guys. I got it in an extra small, and you'll see it's a little bit of a shorter jacket. I have a lot of like longer winter coats and I didn't have anything short, and I think a shorter coat looks good on a shorter person too, like myself. So I've been wearing this every day since Christmas pretty much, but I love it. And my mom also got me, I'm wearing these Ugg slippers. This was definitely a fun little surprise. They're getting worn already because I've worn them every single day since Christmas. But I love them. They're very, very comfortable. I didn't know if I would like a platform slipper, but I really do. Especially, like I said, I'm shorter, so it's nice to have a little height around the house. Other things that I got, I've been wearing this a lot. Now it has like dust on it. This little black ball cap. My mother-in-law got me that. I got some North Face gloves, which, how cute are these? I love these. This little shirt my mother-in-law got me. It's a little Joy Lab, kind of like a long sleeve workout top. But it's really cute. This is the back of it. And like I said, I'll try to link some of these things, but it's ribbed. And then she also got me this, but it hadn't come in yet. But I'm really excited. She got me 2 of these, and my mother-in-law did, and I'm very excited about them. They're backpack beach chairs, and if you guys didn't know, Joshua and I live about a mile away from the beach now, so I'm really, really excited, and I think those will come to use. So anyway, I see Joshua walking in, and hopefully we can get our little bookcase up today. It seems like it's staying without...
Look how wobbly it is though.
Okay. Thank you. I thought these were soft clothes.
Oh, there were 2. There you go.
Okay, now we just gotta find the shelves and put those in. Taking a break from the cabinet for packages.
Always stop for packages.
Something that Josh and I haven't announced yet. We decided we're going to become avid snowboarders this year.
Yep.
I've only snowboarded like one time, but literally think it's all for him every time. This is cute. Amazon.
That's sharp color.
Yeah. Joshua got a blue one. And your jacket's probably in that white bag.
Ooh.
And we have 3 pairs of goggles. Does it fit?
Oh yeah.
Hopefully it looks good with the jacket. Perfect. Oh, let's see if the goggles work with it. Okay, Joshua found these goggles on Amazon.
Oh, do I look like a silly?
Look very cool. Joshua found these on Amazon, and they had really good reviews.
They're the same brand as the helmets, so they should work together.
If you're into snowboarding or skiing, I'm looking for goggles.
Wonder which ones are which.
Okay, these are yours. These are the blue ones.
Oh, the blue ones? That's the ones that should go with the helmet.
These are your black ones.
Whoa. Those are yours.
Okay, I like the blue a lot.
They're very foggy.
They are?
Yeah, I can't see out of them.
Wait, they have it says remove before using. There's a sticker inside of it.
Oh. Whoa, dude.
Do I look so cool?
Let's see. Yes! You look like an alien.
Okay, now I want to see your snowboard jacket. And our frame, TV frame, is not here yet today. It says it's gonna get here by 9. Wait, is that black or blue? That's black. Shoot, you got all blue stuff.
Man! I got all blue stuff for this.
I swear, I thought it said navy.
Hi, boys.
Oh, that's cool. It's Quicksilver, and we ordered it from Zappos. That looks cool. Do you have room to layer under it, like sweatshirts? Yeah. So do you want to exchange all the helmets and stuff?
No.
You're gonna wear blue with it? It's black.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean...
I think you should probably wear black.
Black?
Yeah, I think the blue's gonna look weird now.
Yeah, I should probably go black then.
Or white. I feel like you could do black.
White. I might go white.
Okay. Another day has passed, and I thought I would share with you what we ended up finishing with the cabinet yesterday. So last night I got a little carried away. I got out a bunch of decor that I already had, so I was very happy that I didn't buy anything for this cabinet. These were all things that I already had. I had a lot of stuff on my bookshelves at our old house, so it kind of came in handy. So I'll show you guys how I decorated it. It was just a lot of like trial and error, putting things in different spots. So it's pretty simple. I also have a planter up there, and I want to get a faux plant. I saw some on Target's website last night, so I think I'm gonna do a faux plant up there just because it's so high, and I'm like, I'm never going to get up there to water it. So it would just make more sense for me to get a faux plant for up there. These books, I flipped them this way. This is a little trick. I saw them do it at Crate and Barrel. And I've seen them do it at West Elm too, like when I've gone into the stores. And I thought that was a really good idea because it's still like nice and neutral, but if your books aren't all white or all the color that you want them to be, this is a cool way to do it. Or you can even flip. A lot of times if you take the cover off of your book and you flip it inside out, most of the time it is white. So I did that on a few of them too. These pictures are kind of messed up in there. I gotta flip them around. But everything in here is either from Target or Home Goods. And if I can find links for some things, I will. But these were in a little cabinet at our old house. Some more white books. These are just from Target. That is the only thing that's not from Target or Home Goods. That photo is from Minted. The Studio McGee line, Home Goods, TJ Maxx. These are all some really pretty like white books that I have. I just love how that looks. So I'm very, very happy with it. If you guys didn't see me purchase this cabinet at my old house, it's from IKEA. And these little leather door handle things, these are from IKEA too. So I thought that made it look really cute. So I love it. And it's really motivated me to kind of tackle this room more. I'm like really wanting to get some window treatments. And then last night as well, our frame came, our new frame. So this is just the beige color, and we changed to the art, and I think that looks really nice. All these books aren't going to be here. This was all covered with like all of my decor because I was just like figuring out what I wanted to use in the bookshelves last night. So all those books aren't going to stay there, but I am still trying to figure out how to hide this box right here. We still might like wire it down and be at the bottom of the cabinet or something. But an idea I had, if you have a lot of designer books like I do, a lot of the books like this one comes with like a cover like this. And so I had this idea where I was like, oh, maybe I could just fit the cable box in here and then it would just look like a book. But it didn't fit. And this was like the biggest book I pretty much had. So, still gonna figure out if I'm gonna use these anywhere, but probably not right here. I'm probably just gonna keep the ledge really plain for now until we like shiplap it or do whatever wood accent we want and sconces. I was thinking about just getting like some sprigs or something to go on that, but yeah, I think it looks really cute for now. The last thing I'm gonna show you today, I just got these from Target. They're little pajamas. They're the Grayson and Threads line, and I just thought they were very cute for Valentine's Day. They were $20 for the set. My sister-in-law and I both got them. but I think they are adorable. So I got a size small for sizing reference, but they did have a bunch of really cute like little pajama sets or like sweat sets with hearts on them. So I can link some down below, but I just thought these were fun if you were looking for something cute around Valentine's Day. But I think that's it for today's video. If you guys have any video ideas for me for 2022, leave them down in the comment section. This morning I wrote down a big list of a bunch of videos that I would like to film this year. I definitely feel like I'm a little behind now just because we were sick and everything. But I'm just excited to just get our life back on track, and I'm motivated to just start doing some fun things around the house and projects and stuff like that. We are doing a lot of changes to our pole barn right now. That's why Joshua has been out there so much lately. And I was thinking about doing a video on that, so if you guys would be interested, let me know. I was also thinking about maybe doing like a pantry organization video because our pantry needs some help. I also really want to start with like smaller projects in the house before we just jump into ripping our kitchen apart or our flooring and bigger projects like that. I do have some projects I want to do, like our guest bathroom downstairs. I have some big plans for that. We want to do some things to the guest bedroom down there. So yeah, those are just some ideas I have and I'm looking forward to it. But if you guys have any other ideas, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe if you're new or haven't subscribed yet. And I will see you guys really soon in my next video.